Grindelwald, Switzerland. Simply put, pictures do not do this place justice. My wife and I have only been to a few places where you just want to put away all your electronics, just to focus on the surroundings. If big and loud cities isn't your thing, this place will easily grow on you. Skiers and snowboarders will appreciate the winters. Hikers will appreciate the summer. Photographers will just appreciate being here. If you're lucky, you'll catch a group of older locals blasting through wine bottles with the restaurant owner and calling for a round of shots right before closing on a weekday. We don't speak any German, but it's easy to appreciate the laid-back lifestyle. It really makes going back to 50 to 100 hour work weeks really hard.